Hello guys, today we will learn the 13th lesson, the 7th grade algebra. The topic of the lesson, frequency polygon. Let's give this graph. We call this graph the absolute frequency polygon. How do we consider the absolute frequency polygon? Let's understand it with this definition. Definition: a broken line connecting points whose abscisses are different variants. The abscisses is the x-axis, and here the variants, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whose ordinates are the absolute frequencies of this variance is called an absolute frequency polygon. Absolute frequency values are given on ordinate, and therefore the y-axis. We mark the intersection of the with point, and if we connect the points and connect them curves. The resulting graph is called an absolute frequency polygon. Algorithm for drawing the polygon of absolute frequency. First, display x variance on the x-axis, and the second, for example, here are variants 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the second variant shows the frequency of n on the axis. Here we have shown the absolute frequency of n. This coordinate equal to n. And third, draw points with coordinates x, n. This x, n. Okay. X, n points. And we have determined the points x, n. First, connecting the dots with segments. The given picture shows a polygon of relative frequency, and the definition of polygon relative frequency. It is relative frequency. Relative frequency polygon. And the definition of relative frequency polygon: a broken line connecting points whose abscisses are different options and whose ordinates are the relative frequencies of this option is called a polygon relative frequency. And the algorithm for drawing a relative frequency polygon: first, display x variance on the x-axis. X-axis, and here variance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And second, shows the frequency of omega. Second, omega on the axis. And the relative frequency is given in percentage. And since the relative frequency is given on y-axis, and it is called a relative frequency polygon. Third, draw points with coordinates x, omega. Draw points x and omega. omega is relative frequency. We get the point of intersection of omega and x. First, connect the dots with segments. Dots with segments. And if we connect these points, a curved line will appear. Table obtained from the observation work of students of the class. Information about prices is provided, and the frequency of the variant is that for student got 3 12 student received 4, 9 students received 5, and there and there and there are 25 students in the class. To find the relative frequency, we divide the absolute frequency by the total number of students. For example, we divide 4 25 is equal to 0.16, and we multiply it by 100% and equal to 16%. And now we draw the frequency polygon, and the point of intersection of two this is, and it is absolute frequency polygon. And it is relative frequency polygon. Using the absolute frequency polygon of set of choice, each color given in figure. The total number of toys. The V and omega. Red, yellow, green, blue, brown. Red equal to 4 toys. Red 4 toys, and the point of intersection of 2. Yellow equal to 5 toys. Yellow to 5 toys. 8. Blue is 6. And brown 2. Choice 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 25. Choice. Second, 5 choice 5 equal to 25 multiply 100% and equal to 20%. And the third 8 choice 8 over 25 multiply 100% equal to 32%. And 6 choice 6 over 25 multiply 100% equal to 24%. And fifth 2 choice 2 over 25 multiply 100% equal to 8%. Okay, let's give this third example. And x variance and absolute value omega relative frequency. Option minus 12 Celsius degree and absolute value equal to 2 minus 11 degree equal to 1 and variance equal to 10 Celsius degree equal to 2 and variance equal to minus 9 Celsius degree equal to 1 and minus 7 Celsius degree absolute value equal to 2. And the total number of city absolute value is n. Absolute relative it is absolute frequency and it is variance and it is relative frequency. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 equal to equal to 8 ct. And the relative frequency of ct of each Celsius degrees is 1 over 8 8 equal to 0.125 and the third 2 city 2 over 8 equal to 0.25 and this first 1 city 1 over 8 equal to 0.125 and the fifth 2 cities 2 over 8 equal to 2 over 8 equal to 0.25 And okay, thank you.